วัสดีครับ Howdy, y'all. Episode 2. Roman Romero in Phuket, Thailand, currently. Let's go to Big Buddha today. I think that's the move. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Look at that baby. Come on, let's go. Look at that view. Good Lord. Look at this freaking road. Silky smooth. There she is. That's sick. How cool is that? The drive was awesome out here. I think the view might be a little bit more impressive though. Sheesh. Look at this. Super cool. Let's get up there. Psst, psst, psst. Come here, kitty. Hell yeah. I love his face. He's just smug. He's like, yeah, this is my view every day. I don't know if you can see, but like, there's just hundreds of islands and they just shoot straight up out of the water. So badass. Let's get some photos. Got nice clouds. Wish it was a little bit later in the day, but this will do. Yeah. We got like a ginger shrimp with some heart rice. Look at this. Delicious. Hi, bud. He's okay. So we got spring onions. Look at these peppers, dude. Yes. Everything spicy. They don't have to ask. The shrimp is delicious. Spring onions, regular onions. Oh yeah, that's living. Chicken? Chicken? How much? How right?
180 บาท
100. Okay.
180 บาท
Huh?
180
180.
Yes ไทย
Chai. Chai.
ใช่ใช่จะสวย
Takum kap.
ครับ
Haroy.
ขอบคุณ
Roy Mark.
เกี่ยวเลยมาก
Let's get the show on the road. That was delicious. And I mean, the view just makes it even more delicious. Aroy.
อร่อย
YouTube.
เอา YouTube อ๋อ
Yeah.
What's YouTube
Romy.
Just one
One of the peppers went down the wrong way. Shit. Not for you.
อ๋อ Thank you very much ขอบคุณครับเอาสวัสดี YouTube
Wow, face. Hi.
Okay, thank you.
A beautiful day.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, like.
Okay, like.
Okay.
Thank you very much. ขอบคุณครับ
Good day.